This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I am going to show you how to manage stress by stimulating your vagus nerve. This can help with sleep problems, digestive problems, and back pain. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. The vagus nerve is the primary nerve that triggers the parasympathetic nervous system. You can do this seated or standing, but it is a good idea to start seated only until you have a feel for it and know you won't have any problems like getting dizzy. Make sure to sit forward so you're not collapsing your abdomen. You want to find the center of your rib cage connected to your sternum. There's a little bone just under your sternum, right above the spot you want. Don't put pressure on that little bone. Once you find that spot, move 1 inch down using the pads of your fingers. Apply some gentle pressure and take a deep breath in through your nose, counting to 4. Hold for the count of 2 and exhale for the count of 6 to 8, depending on your control and what feels good. That is 1. Do that 3 to 5 times to get the best results. And this is gentle enough to do multiple times a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We are all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.